In this video, I will teach you how to cook ackee and saltfish with crushed carrots. Very easy and simple. However, I already preset some of my things ahead of time. So my ackee is already boiled, the saltfish already boiled, tomato cut, onion cut, scallion cut, my carrot already boiled and crushed. So everything is preset. So this is the oil I will be using to cook my ackee and saltfish and crushed carrot. You can use the oil of your choice. Put oil into pot to hot. Put enough oil to cover the pot bottom. Yes, you don't need a lot of oil, but you just need enough to cover the pot bottom. And make the oil reasonably hot, super hot, to extract the flavor from the seasoning. Very important. So when the oil is hot, you extract the flavor from the seasoning at a quicker pace. Add seasoning to oil when hot: scallion, onion, tomatoes. Then you can add your saltfish, then your ackee, then your carrots. Leave to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a little black pepper. That's it. It's all done. Very simple. This video is short and spicy. In the future, I will make a longer video with step by step for you guys to understand a bit more clearly how to get this done. Please leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. I will do a next video soon.